the next thing we're going to do is we're going to work to the inside, and I want you guys to position your hands at different areas of the body. Okay, the pre-positioning of the hand is preparatory. Okay, instead of him throwing a punch at me and I'm here, now I have to react to his motion. My hands are back here. There's not a lot I can do from here. All right. So if a man throws a punch, okay, and I'm slipping inside, I'm positioning my hands where they need to be, closer to his body. Okay. Now with this hand here, as he rotates, this hand is going to offset structure. This hand comes down. There's your hits. Okay. Understand that he has a projecting side and a retracting side. Okay. So right now, this is his projected side, which is seeking retraction. This is his retracted side, seeking projection. Okay. Nothing stays like this for any long period of time. Okay. So this side has to go back in order for this side to come forward. It's very important for a person to understand that when they're dealing with martial arts and you're dealing with 2 arms and 2 legs. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip inside. I'm just going to position my hand here. As he rotates, I'm doing that escape again. This hit offsets his balance and structure. So now when I hit him with this, he doesn't have the structure he would have had if he was standing straight up. Also, what it does for me is it allows me some time. As he rotates, this allows me some time to offset to get my hits in there. Okay, so it's very important for you to remember that. The other thing is he punches, and I'm here, he rotates, I'm hit here and here, and that brings him right into an elbow. Okay? Punch. If I'm here, I know that this side is now projecting. So if I don't want to deal with the retracting side, I deal with the projection side. As he rotates, I know that this hit right here is going to stop his hip, which will stop his arm, bring him right down into your hand combinations that we went over in the drill. Okay? So this time what you're going to do is he throws a punch, you're going to slip, and you're going to keep your hands out here. Remember, always remember your triangles. The most important thing. So as he rotates, I escape, I hit, okay? Take him into a throw. Same thing can be done from the opposite side. He throws a punch, I slip back to the outside. Okay, this is projection seeking retraction, this is retraction seeking projection. As he rotates, this offsets here, this punches into here. Then I roll right into my hand combination. So everything is nice and tight. Okay? So I work outside position. As he rotates, I'm going to check this, which causes imbalance. All right? So as he rotates, I hit here. Settles him down right into your hand combinations, and we go from there. Okay? We're going to try that, and we'll come back and elaborate. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to implement your hand striking into areas that may go bad. For instance, the hand postures, okay, they describe escaping, controlling arts, and striking arts. You may be trying to control a person, and things don't go exactly the way you wanted them to. Maybe the person restructures their weight, which makes it more difficult to create the throw or the lock. Know that your atemi can pop in there at any moment. Okay, so let's say he's let's see which way will this work. So let's say he's choking. Okay, let's say I'm bringing him off into a joint lock. Okay, and I do this and he catches himself, and I find myself struggling. The best thing for me to do instead of trying to take a square peg in a round hole is to move in and work my hand strikes. Okay, and finish the guy off. Okay, if we're here and he's throwing a punch, okay, and I move inside and I'm going to do a throw, and he catches his weight, my hands are right here to strike. Okay, the important thing is to not separate your hands and your other techniques. Okay, they need to work together. Okay, taking the course of a simple joint lock. Okay, if I do this and he pops his foot out to save himself, this is right here. Know that everything is right there for the weapons that you need to be able to finish that off. Okay, so I just wanted to add that on there, and to add that as something that you can apply wherever you find a stick spot. Okay, we have to be able to flow from one thing to the next. Okay, so this is just another little segment that we're putting out on YouTube to bring some awareness to Kosho and what it has to offer. If anybody's interested in the concepts of Kosho, we just published a new book. It's called Ultimate Kempo, and it's available on Amazon.com, Borders.com. It's also available at most bookstores. It is filled with concepts and principles that any martial artist can use pertaining to their own art. So if you're interested, please give it a look. Thank you.